Hi guys, welcome back to another video. At this stage of our Pearl Chocolate Jamaica visit, we are learning how to make caramel using sugar. So stick around until the end, you don't want to miss anything. Alright? Also, we will be learning how to temper chocolate. Alright? So stick around, you don't want to miss any of this. Alright?
Ready? Ready? And this is our cream. So let's see what happens when we add a little bit of the cream. Stir that in. You see how hot that is? Yeah, so you don't want to stick your finger in this, yes? Serious burns. Huh? Even if you're tempted, you'd be so sorry. You'd be so sorry you did it.
Okay.
Very hot.
You said any liquid can be used.
Any liquid that you like. So you could use some rum, you could use coffee.
So wouldn't the rum, the fire, flambe, whatever?
The rum?
Yeah.
Not really. If you add it slowly, then you'll be perfectly fine, yeah. And that's caramel. We done? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit on the this paper before you let it cool a little bit, and then you can have a taste and tell me what you think about it. No, you're gonna spray. Yes, yes, I'm trying to do that one. Don't taste us yet. Let it cool. That's the caramel. So for you to get it a little bit thick, what you have to do is let it cool, and then it will set up perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do now is add the caramel to the chocolate. And this is how we're making our fudge. And as I said before, the recipe is inside of your booklets. That's before you. You should be able to taste it, yes. Just going to stir this one. Anyone would like to come and give it a stir? Yes. Volunteer. Volunteer. It's good. There you go.
Not too sweet.
Not too sweet.
Not too sweet.
Anyone else? Everyone can taste now? How is
Yes,
it?
I want to see.
It's like her.
Tastes like caramel, right? You like a try?
Yes.
Let's have a try. Thank you.
This is fudge, right?
Yes, excellent. That's your fudge. And with your fudge, you don't have to use dark chocolate. You could use milk chocolate, white chocolate, whatever you like. So with our pot, I'm going to show you a little trick. What you do, the caramel is hot enough to get them out. So I've never had experience where they don't come out.
Keep
Keep stirring. Exactly.
Come Regina, come on. Muscle. I don't see any more lumps.
I see it looks smooth to me as well, so I think it's ready.
Okay.
Let me take a feel. Thank you very much. Good job, guys. See, nice and smooth. So with that heat from your caramel, trust me, you shouldn't have any lumps.
Melt up all the chocolate.
You melt all the chocolate. So you add it to your pan. Nice and smooth, right? You guys did a really good job. Really good job. So I'm gonna pass these around for tasting. I'm gonna give you guys sticks. if you like.
Anne-Marie, the student
So,
here.
start here, pass them around, please, and everyone can have a taste. With your, when you make your fudge, it's good if you have film wrap to just cover the top. Why? Because you don't want your fudge to have that skin like when you make a porridge and the skin, if you leave it, your porridge to cool, it has that skin. We don't want that skin on the top of it, so you use film wrap to just...
So we can do it to the porridge too?
Yes, if you like. If you don't like your skin on the porridge, then you can use a film wrap on it. So you just press that to the corners.
Okay.
And we put that in our fridge to set for 24 hours. So see you guys tomorrow.
And then you can cut it.
Yes, so you leave it to set for 24 hours and then it will be nice and firm and cut. Everyone gonna taste? Yes. How is it?
Really good.
Good. Today,
Tempering chocolate.
tempering chocolate.
In class.
Nice.
That's coming from the microwave.
Yes, I just kept it there to keep it warm.
Okay.
So, photo time. Do you like to take photos? Are you ready? Yes. Yes. There you go.
Woo!
Yeah? That's about enough, right, Mom? Can I take this one?
I know that there's something that did that for the supper.
That's our chocolate right here. Nice. I like that.
Let's see what is tempering. Let's see what is tempering. Nice. We are going to temper chocolate.
Okay, Molly's gonna give you the first. She's gonna show you how it is
Good
done.
man.
And then each person can get a turn. We start at 40 degrees Celsius and we want to work that down to 32 degrees Celsius, and that is where it is. The chocolate is considered tempered and ready to put inside the mold.
Okay, so tempering is the movement. So it's all about movement. Please don't try to get it off the table.
Ooh. 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 This is awesome. We're tempering the chocolate here.
Anyone ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. We're ready to do what?
Yeah, very nice and very warm. It's just moving the chocolate.
Give it that pretty
I don't know
wave.
what you're doing.
Give it that pretty wave.
Just move it around. Move it around on the table. That's all.
Whoa. I can see he's scared.
I don't know what I'm doing with this one.
Would you like another show?
I just want to keep moving it. It feels fun. I just.
It is fun.
You always have to go from the outside.
Yeah.
And what are we cleaning up? More so this, so you can swoop
Yes,
that.
exactly. See, you got it.
Something.
How does it feel?
Nice.
Nice, right?
Playing with Play-Doh or something. It's fluid. Alright, anybody want to try next? Because I think I'm
I want to try, but I don't know if I can do it.
Guys, step over the
Alright, just don't make it come off the table.
Yeah. Is it cool enough? She's okay. That was painful. Who's next?
Get that tick. What?
See, it's you press the button before you give
No,
me.
yeah, press it on. See it?
No, it was on the solid circle when you give me.
Yes.
Yes, you never say it like that. Let me never do it.
Come, Penny. Work it like a workman. Woo, she bad. She used to make cement. This is like the process. Whoa. You say she had gone hard.
She got to think of the Okay, take that, Penny, take that. Don't make it run over on that side.
Whoa. Tempering chocolate.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, sure.
Very nice.
Oops, sorry. She's the expert.
I don't know about that. Try that thing.
Who's next?
Who's next? Next? It's nice, it's a fun. So now go on next. Penny, not even one stop. Come on, Penny, go ahead, go ahead. Woo!
Good? Time save, we're still okay.
Alright.
It's at 36 at this time, so it's almost there.
Oh, so to have a temperature of 32 and it's now at 36. Okay, so we are tempering the chocolate, guys, to 32 degrees Celsius. Nice.
Keep going to that side.
Remember, she's there, you know.
Slowly, slowly. Just spread it around, just spread it around. You don't need to take it, just move it around. Yeah.
When you temper it, what you do with it?
After we temper it, we mold it. So the molds are on the table for you guys. We're going to mold them. So we're going to mold, put your toppings that you like, and we'll put it inside the fridge.
Mold or wet something?
Mold's not wet. It's plastic. Mold being you place it inside of the
Oh, you're going to put it in something. Okay.
Okay, something. The biggest.
Okay.
Look at the big lights.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we're going to do it like the Hershey.
Very nice. Anyone else? Anyone else would like a try?
Anyone else wanna come this far and not
Don't
try?
be afraid.
It's not zip line, this, you know. It's right here. Nice.
Oh, see what?
everyone else that did not get a turn, come over. Don't be afraid of the chocolate. Don't be afraid. Chocolate is fun. Eat the chocolate. Making it too. Eating it and making it is fun. Just like playing with it. Just move it around. Just moving it around. That's it. Keeping it on the table. When you watch your edges, and it doesn't fall off. Just moving it
Do
around.
we have some professional Oompa Loompas already?
Yes, we do.
Yes. How are they doing? Everybody tempered?
They're doing good, yes.
It's good, right? Right.
Anyone else?
Everybody went?
No.
I think so.
Come on, go do it.
I went.
Chance, there's a good 20 pounds of chocolate.
Exactly.
What is this spirit?
Anyone else?
I can't take this.
Okay, guys.
Come on, let's go. Everybody needs to go. It's a workshop. You need to
The
work.
workshop.
You work.
Yes. Good. Great. Oh, whoa. Yay.
Let's do it. These are
Let's
big.
do it,
Not gonna
guys.
take anywhere else.
See?
Woo. Wow.
Very nice. See?
Cooling down.
And she have that talent waste in there.
Very nice. Just moving your chocolate.
Yep. Edge control. Edge control. Edge control.
It's control.
No, wipe it off on your finger.
Very nice. Yes?
You see you? Yeah, go next. Because you give clear instruction.
Good job. Very nice. See?
Very
How does it
nice.
feel? Don't worry about it.
Professional
How
nose.
does it feel? It's good?
Come next.
Next person?
Yes.
Nice.
Come soon. It's your birthday. You can do it. It's your birthday. You can do it. It's your birthday.
And we're almost there.
Yeah.
34. 2 more persons.
There you go.
Nice.
Go soon now. It's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Yes. To you. Happy birthday to you. So they do here.
Somebody was saying happy birthday.
Yeah, he was singing.
Thank you.
How was that?
Hey, Jen, the chocolate is already everywhere, so you're doing good. Nice missing.
Nice messy group. Go feel ya. Definitely. This is the tempered chocolate moments. We got to get it to 32 degrees Celsius before we can put it in the tray. In the mold. So we can put it in the mold. See that dark chocolate looking little square thing? Yeah, the square thing is waiting for it to go in. So we're making chocolate. Yes, man.
Eating it.
Yes, man. Woo! No, sir. You notice the person that would never want to go and them I do the thing, you know? They are the experts.
Next person.
Next victim.
No, me.
Hey, Joe.
Take care of the size first.
I didn't know this is how you make chocolate. I didn't know. I'm learning. Men supposed to be skillful. Let's see.
Those parts you can do. Inside part. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Nice.
32.
Yeah.
We are at 22, guys. 2 degrees. Yay, we did it. We did it. We did it. Yes.
You're hiding on it.
We're gonna move it.
You're hiding on here.
We're gonna move it.
There's a back there. We kind of want to do. No, I did.
See, you come and you don't even want to stop.
It's that fun, right?
And that's it, guys. We temper chocolate and make chocolate fudge from scratch. So remember to watch part 1 and 2 and then this part 3. Bye.